Hey guys, so what we got here is a Ford Transit, and what we've done is we've installed a brand new stereo, Sony stereo, and also a factory style brake light camera that replaces the brake light, and also front and rear dash cam, with the rear one being a commercial waterproof one designed for vans. So let me just show you what it looks like in the front. So we got it all linked up, the reverse camera to the new Sony AX8150. So we've got a brand new panel which we replaced the original one with, that allows you to install this. Has full CarPlay and Android Auto built in, so you can use your favorite apps on the go by connecting your phone. So also got the reverse camera integrated as well. So when you put it into reverse, the reverse camera come up. Also has full DAB as well, so DAB stations you can listen to. Also has standard radio.
Just, if you see someone else on one, just nod at them like, hello mate.
All come to your original speakers. And that's the front dash camera for the recording. So if you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a shout on 028 554 5554, or come visit us Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill, IG2 6QA. Thanks for watching, make sure you like and subscribe.